Hi, my name is Dana Johnson, and I'm here today to show you a method of how to hard boil eggs. Let me tell you what, you can go online, you can look on YouTube, you can look at eHow, you can look anywhere you want to look. You're going to find 1,000 different methods, but I'm going to show you mine. First of all, I have a pot of water right here, this size. I'm going to fill it up halfway with water. The most important thing is the egg is going to be covered in the water. That's it. It's that simple. Again, no measuring, no nothing, not rocket science. I have this thing right here. It's so cool. It has like a little needle in it. I'm going to take the fat end of the egg. I poked a hole in it. You know why? Because the membrane is broke away from the shell. Because it's broke that membrane away from the shell, so after the egg is fully cooked and you're ready to peel it, the eggshells should come off in 2 pieces opposed to a bunch of little shells that we sit and waste a lot of time on picking them off. Might as well even do another one. So, water, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put this burner on high, and I'm going to go ahead, bring it to a boil. Once it gets to the boil, I'm going to put the lid on it. Actually, I could put the lid on now. It doesn't matter. Again, it's not rocket science. We're just trying to boil some eggs. So you'll get it boiling. Notice when it is boiling. Go ahead, get it to the boil, turn the burner off, leave it in the hot water for 10 minutes, and you're going to be good to go. And then I've got one more tip for you. Okay, so now these boiled eggs have been cooking for 10 minutes. Time to take the hot water out. Okay, so now it's time for me to go ahead and take some ice water. I'm going to shock these eggs and cool them down so that the eggshell will peel easily off of them. Now there it is, your egg is cooled off. Here it comes off the shell. So now that you know how to hard boil eggs, I just thought I should have probably mentioned this in the beginning. You can buy hard-cooked peeled eggs in a bag, just in case that was too much trouble for you. Anyway, if you're interested in any of my other recipes, please see me at danasfamilykitchen.com.